Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dana, and I'm very thrilled to share my story and the purpose of this channel with you today. Before I start, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you know how many smart goods and electric products you use every day are produced in China? And can you imagine what a life would be like without all the products made in China? And the answer is, you wouldn't last even one day. China is known as the world's factory because of its powerful manufacturing system and efficient supply chain. Thousands of merchants produce high-quality goods at low costs and quickly distribute them all over the world. But where do these products mainly come from? Let me take you on a journey. First stop, Yiwu, the kingdom of small commodities and daily necessities. This place is incredible. It has the world's largest wholesale market, Yiwu International Trade City, with 75,000 booths selling over 2 million different products across 26 categories. Yiwu is connected to over 2 million small enterprises and supports 32 million workers across China. The system here is incredibly well organized, from raw material procurement to manufacturing, and from distribution to global logistics. Working into Yiwu feels like stepping into giant treasure trove. Next, let me take you to Shenzhen, the paradise of electronic products. Shenzhen is a global hub for electronics manufacturing and distribution. Its famous Huaqiangbei market is one of the largest electronics component distribution centers in the world, with 22 specialized markets selling over 1 million different types of components. The level of innovation and efficiency here is truly impressive. Electronics are manufactured and shipped out to every corner of the globe from Shenzhen. Why am I telling you this? Because this is where my story begins. I worked at Alibaba, the largest online shopping platform in China, for many years. There, I interacted with thousands of merchants and witnessed the immense power of Chinese manufacturing. This experience sparked my deep interest in global supply chain. I want to learn more, not just China's supply chain, but globally. So I came to Canada to study the international supply chain management and logistics. And guess what? I was shocked by the high prices here. A phone case that cost less than $2 in China can cost $20 here. And that's exactly why I created this channel. I want to share information about everyday items, including their price in Canada, America, and China, and review the huge differences between the wholesale and retail price. I plan to share 100 commonly used products, though the list is not finalized yet. Whether you are an individual shopper, retailer, or wholesaler, if you are curious about a product, feel free to leave a comment. I will try my best to gather the information you need and help you better understand the business world. Let's explore smarter shopping together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm looking forward to discovering more interesting and useful content with you on this channel.